All right, here's our lemon tree here in Palm Springs. I'm going to make a chicken piccata, and I need 1 lemon. I think maybe I'll get it right here. That'll be perfect for chicken piccata. Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're going to make chicken piccata, so stay with us. You're going to love this recipe. All right, chicken piccata is one of my favorite recipes to make, and today what we're going to do, we're going to start out with chicken breast, and I'm just going to put my hand on here. We're going to butterfly the chicken breast and flip that over, and these are pretty good sized chicken breasts, and I'm going to make them a little bit smaller, so we're going to just butterfly this one. Put your hand over the top, put your palm, and just keep slicing down. All right, and then what I'm going to do is, these things are kind of thick, and we don't want them thick. We want them to be a little bit thinner than that. So what I'm going to do is get a freezer bag, put chicken breast in here. This one in here. We're going to lay this over here and get my mallet, and we're just going to pound these out a little bit. I want them thin. Pound them out. All right, so we got those a little bit thinner, and what we're going to do is put them in the flour. Now we're going to get our pan ready. First, I'm going to wash the chicken off my hand. All right, now we're going to use a little extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to a little bit, just back and forth, just kind of cover the bottom a little bit. For our sauce, we're going to use a half a cup of chicken broth. And we're going to use, I got fresh lemons. Lemon tree outside. We're going to use about half a cup, a little bit less than half a cup of lemon juice. I got a Sauvignon Blanc. We're going to use a half a cup of white wine. Just a little bit of capers. I like capers, so we're going to use a little bit of capers. Here's our capers. Now we got to do a little seasoning on our chicken. It's going to do a little salt. Pepper. Now we're going to turn it over. Do the same thing. Now I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter to the pan. The way you can tell that your pan is ready for the chicken, that the oil is hot enough, is if you put 2 pounds of butter in there, or even 1, as soon as that butter melts, it'll be ready. So let's do this. Shake off some of the flour, and then flip it over, brown it, and then we're going to take it out and we're going to work on our sauce. All right, it smells really, really good. We got our dry white wine, our chicken broth in here, fresh lemon juice, about 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, and some capers. I'm going to take and add the chicken back in, and we just want to get it back in here for probably about a minute and let it sit here in this sauce. This is going to be so good. It's just the fresh lemon juice, the capers, the chicken broth, the white wine. All right, we've had this in here for about a minute and a half. So this is ready. Let's take this and transfer it over to the plate. All right, now we're going to work on our sauce. What I want to do is I'm going to add some butter to this, and with the chicken being in there and the flour on the chicken is going to help thicken this sauce up a little bit. I don't need it to be too thick, and the butter is going to help thicken it a little bit, and it's also going to be make it very rich. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this over my chicken. All right, now it's time to do a taste test on our chicken. Got our chicken in here, so let's just cut a little piece off the end. I'm going to take a couple of the capers and kind of just dip it in that sauce a little bit. Ready? Here we go. So tender, a little moist. The sauce is incredible. So good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you get a chance. Comments, good or bad, let me know. Have a good day. Thanks guys for watching.